guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy I Like Your Style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a chillest analyst. Today is CAF Champions League quarterfinals and the Mamelodi Sundowns are up against ES Tunis Esperance, and I'd like to know your predictions for the game. My prediction for the game is that Mamelodi Sundowns, hopefully they will win by 2-1 up against the ES Tunis. I know that ES Tunis is a very difficult team coming all the way from Morocco, and I know that that team is been doing the most in the CAF Champions League. It's a well-known team. It's been fighting the best teams such as Al Ahly and Zamalek, who we know that they've been winning this tournament, this competition for several times. And yes, guys, we know that the Moroccan teams and Egyptian teams, they are dominating this competition, guys. But yeah, this season, this competition, South African teams are dominating it because we have two South African teams in the CAF Champions League. And also the Stellenbosch in the other side, CAF Confederations, they've reached the quarterfinals as well. So it's a very good news for South Africa as a whole, guys. So yes, guys, today's match against Mamelodi Sundowns, obviously it will be a very tactical match. The two teams will be hoping to get the 3 points. It looks like it's a must win for both teams. And also, we know that Mamelodi Sundowns, they've renewed their style. Now they are playing a proper football. They have quality players. They're not scared to compete in the highest level. They're also playing the Club World Cup. So, yes, that's some of the great news, the positive influence coming to this match from Mamelodi Sundowns side. So yes, guys, and on the other hand, we know that Esperance, they've been doing well in their league, and also in the CAF Champions League, we know that they are some of the best teams, and we know that they've won it in, I think, 4 or 5 times. So yeah, that shows that this team is also a big team, and it's not we're not Mamelodi Sundowns, so they must not take it for granted because they've been playing well. They are on form. Also in the league, Mamelodi Sundowns is doing well. So coming to this match, both teams, I think they have positive energy coming to this match because both of them, they've been doing well, and especially how they won the previous games of the CAF Champions League until they find themselves in this stage of the competition. So that shows that both teams, they are really willing to give their all, and we're gonna see the best football today, and we're gonna enjoy it, guys. We know that the match starts at 3 o'clock on the dot, so we're obviously waiting for it. And I know that Mamelodi Sundowns, guys, the way they are so desperate to play against the Orlando Pirates in the final, I think their game plan is to win this match no matter what. So if my predictions were not 2-1, I was going to say that Mamelodi Sundowns, they also have the ability to score at least 4 goals coming to this match, because we know that Mamelodi Sundowns, they have the quality midfield and the quality striker. Defense as well, yeah, they have Modiba, players like Modiba, and also Libusa, who's in the bench, and he can also bring you something. So yes, guys, I think Mamelodi Sundowns squad is more offensive, and they will hate you if you're not aware of them. So you need to play well against them, guys. So yes, that's how I think the match tonight is gonna be. I think we're gonna watch a beautiful game of football whereby both teams, they want to win, and obviously Mamelodi Sundowns, when they're playing home like at Loftus, we know that you can't beat them easily, because we know that that stadium is gonna be full today, guys. It's gonna be full. I know Patrick Motsepe will make sure that the stadium is full, and the players will get the support that they deserve, guys, because we know that they've been consistent. So that's what I like about Mamelodi Sundowns, and they brought that energy in the South African team. So now we see that the South African teams, they're doing well. So thanks, guys. Here's how I think Mamelodi Sundowns will line up tonight. Mamelodi Sundowns, so obviously in the goalkeeper they will use Williams, and on the left hand side I think Modiba is the man to play today. It's the first leg, so they make them tired, and then the two center backs, Suarez will come back, and then the right center back, obviously we're gonna use Kekana, because we know that Kekana is the beast there in the middle, because Mbala is not there. And then on the right, we have Mudau. Mudau is very hungry. We saw him the last match. Mudau, he gave us the good flank. So the attacking three guys. Obviously, we're gonna attack with Peter Shalulile, Ikram Reyners, and Lucas Ribeiro, guys, who I think will be the man of the match today. And then the center midfield, the midfield, we're gonna play with three midfield, which is Mokoena will be our defensive midfield, and then we will attack with both Adams and Allende, guys. We know that Mamelodi Sundowns have been using that formation for quite many of the games now. So yes, guys, I think today's game, Mamelodi Sundowns coach will need to pray and will need to make sure that he substitute, make sure that he makes the good substitutes, because we know that teams from the north and east, we know that they like to play especially second half. Second half, that's when they will press you, and they will try to do their silly stuff to try to find a way to win the match, guys, at the later of the stage. So yes, guys, all I need is Mamelodi's coach, Mamelodi Sundowns coach, to make sure that they build the squad. The boys, they must know that they're not supposed to drop any points. If they drop points, that means it's gonna be a problem going to the next fixture, which will be in their opponent's ground. So that's one of the things that will be very difficult if Mamelodi Sundowns would want to lose or will lose today. So that's one of the things that I'd like Coach Mikel Cardoso to avoid today, guys. So if there's one thing that Mamelodi Sundowns will use to win, it's their substitute. If they can substitute good, then Mamelodi Sundowns will win the match today, guys. So yes, guys, I wish them good luck, and we'll see after the match. Obviously, everybody's waiting for the match now, but I know that eventually the match will start, and please enjoy the match, guys. Yes, this is your boy. I like your style. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a chillest analyst.